Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to online learning. This is our 17th lesson, and I hope all of you have taken your lunch. This presentation, our lesson for today, was prepared by foreign teachers in Pratumsok, Sussex, Anuban Chunburi School. This video recording is for educational purposes only. Requesting all the students to kindly turn on your camera as we are going to go along with our study this afternoon. My name is Teacher Edward, and I am your speaker for this afternoon. Let's have a review on what we studied last Monday. So last Monday, we studied about the three types of rocks. We reviewed your understanding about the three types of rocks. How are these rocks are formed? What are the processes involved in the formation of the three types of rocks? And what are the uses of rocks? And we also study these words from the last time. Okay, so now our topic for this uh, wait our topic for this afternoon is all about landforms. Okay, our topic for this afternoon is all about landforms. Okay, wait, give me 1 minute. I just need to edit some slides here. There are some mistakes here. Okay, so there, good. Okay, so there. Okay, so this will be the vocabulary words that will be part of our study uh, this afternoon. Okay, so again, our topic for this afternoon is all about land forms. Okay, so these are the different shapes that we can see around us. So the first word, turn on your microphone. Turn on your microphone. Landform, and repeat after me. Number one,
Landform.
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 Number two, valley.
Valley.
Valley,
Number three, delta.
Delta.
delta,
Number four, mountain.
Mountain.
mountain,
Number five, canyons.
Canyon.
canyons,
Number six, plains.
Plain.
plain.
All right, so thank you. You can turn off your microphone now. Wait, I think I missed something. We should be okay. So before we are going to discuss all the words there uh, about the landforms, let's watch this short video first.
Rocks are everywhere. They are large and small, heavy or light, porous or dense. But rocks in some shape or form can be found all over the planet. Different types of rocks are formed in different ways. There are three main types of rock: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Igneous is a word that means fiery. Igneous rock is formed when magma or lava cools. Sometimes magma cools slowly underneath the Earth's surface. This forms intrusive igneous rock, like granite. Other times, lava cools when it comes to the surface in a volcanic eruption. This forms extrusive igneous rock. Some examples of extrusive igneous rock are tuff, obsidian, and pumice. Igneous rocks make up about 95% of the Earth's crust. The next type of rock is sedimentary rock. Sediment is small particles of sand, mud, and organic material that settle to the bottom of water or land areas, often lakes or oceans. Sedimentary rocks are formed when sediment accumulates over time in deposits that form layers. These layers become squeezed and compressed over time until they consolidate into a rock. Sedimentary rocks are the types of rocks in which fossils may be found, since the process of forming sedimentary rocks can preserve plant and animal remains that are deposited into the sediment layers. Some examples of sedimentary rock are limestone, shale, and sandstone. The third type of rock is metamorphic rock. The word metamorph means to change form, and metamorphic rock is rock that has been changed by extreme heat and pressure. Sedimentary rock, igneous rock, or even other metamorphic rocks can be changed by heat and pressure into new kinds of rock. Metamorphic rocks can be formed by being deep under the earth where pressure and temperatures are high, or when rock near the surface is heated up by the movement of tectonic plates or magma. Different types of rocks become different types of metamorphic rock when exposed to heat and pressure. For example, shale becomes slate. Sandstone becomes quartzite. And limestone becomes marble. Rocks are slowly but constantly changing in something known as the rock cycle. The rock cycle begins with magma, or hot melted rock, deep beneath the Earth's surface. This magma becomes crystallized, becoming igneous rock. These rocks begin to erode or break down into small pieces because of wind, water, or other forces. The small fragments of rock are carried away as sediment when water passes over them, and are deposited in layers, which eventually become sedimentary rocks. Then, some sedimentary rocks are pushed below the surface due to tectonic activity, where they are exposed to heat and pressure, transforming them into metamorphic rocks. If the rocks are buried even deeper, they may melt and form magma, starting the cycle all over again. Of course, sedimentary and metamorphic rocks can be eroded into sediment, and igneous rock can become metamorphic rock or lava. But one way or another, rocks all over the world keep changing from one form to the next.
Okay, so I hope you that video refreshed your understanding and added some information about the rocks. Last part of that video is all about the rock cycle, but I will not touch that topic for now. Okay, so let's proceed here. Uh, these are the first word here is landform. Okay, so my request, uh, Chuntida, to read the first definition, landform.
A national shape or feature found on Earth's surface. Most of these changes happen over millions of years, but some can happen in minutes.
Okay, so in 2013, I will search that one so that you will be able to see. In the year 2013, there was a mountain who was created because of earthquake. Okay, the name of this island is Zalzala Island. Here, can you see it? It is people call it earthquake island because of this earthquake was uh, this earthquake created an island. Okay, so it is the new island that was created because of earthquake. So that is a landform. Okay, so sometimes it takes like millions of years, but sometimes it can happen in a minutes. Like for example, if there's an earthquake today and then the flat lands will become like this, it will become a mountain immediately. So that can happen. So these are the different landforms. The first one is valley. May I ask Satawit to read?
Valleys form between mountains and hills. One type of valley U-shape is formed by glaciers. If we can see a U-shaped valley, that means the whole melt probably a really long time ago.
Okay, so this is a valley. If you are living in this kind of place, you don't live here. You don't live here, but you live here in the valley. Okay, so this place right here will be the good place for us to live if you are living in this kind of area. So that is the valley U shape. Okay, one type of valley is U shape. Sometimes like there's a mountain on this side, and there's a little bit of flat here. And this is like if you watch some movies, it is the place where the village is located. Okay, so that is valley. Let's proceed to the word delta. I will ask Natchanan to read. Delta, go ahead. Number 8, Natchanan.
A delta is formed at the mouth of a river. The river carries sand and
And okay, the river, yeah. Are you done?
uh,
A delta. Mm-hmm.
a river carries sand and
We cannot hear you properly, Natchanan. Thank you. I will read again. A delta is formed at the mouth of a river. The river carries sand. Okay, so if the river carries sand and sediment, the water reaches the mouth of the river. So this is the mouth of the river. It slows down and deposits all the sediments. That is why you can see here. These are what we call the delta. This is the uh, these are the landform here that you can see. These are delta. Okay, delta. You can see there. That is delta. We can see it in the mouth of a river. And deltas are a very fertile land. So it means if you're going to get the soil there and then you're going to use for planting, uh, the soil is very fertile. It means it's good for planting. All right. So let's proceed to the delta. Let's ask uh, Supakrit to read the mountain, please.
Can form in a number of different ways. The Himalayas, Earth's highest mountain chain, were formed when two plates push into each other.
Okay, so the mountain ranges or the Himalayas were formed because of an earthquake. So Himalayas is what is this? This is actually mountain ranges. You can see here. Where is this? I will show you this picture. Okay, so this is the Himalayas. You can see here. So this is like from the middle of China, Nepal, Bhutan, okay, India, near there. So you can see this picture, Himalayas. It's very nice. So based on the explanation here in our PowerPoint, two tectonic plates push together like this, so it form a mountain. So if there's an earthquake, the tectonic plates or the land, okay, like this, they are going to push together. So when they push together, it becomes a mountain. So that is how it works. Okay. Why my background is changing? Okay, to change my background. Give me 1 minute. Okay. So that is the mountain. What about, I will ask Nakawat, can you read plains? This will be the last one. Go.
I don't see anything.
Oh, sorry. Uh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I wasn't able to click. Okay, good. Go ahead.
Plains are large and flat, like this grassland.
Prairie.
Prairie in,
Answer.
prairie in Kansas, they don't have highlands or deep valleys.
Thank you. So you can see here, it's like plain, flat. No, this is a very good place to live. There are no valleys. There are no what is this? Canyons or whatever. Just flat, plain. Okay. The last one, I thought that's the last one. I think this is the last one. Canyons. I will ask uh, Faradi, number 31, to read canyons, please.
Called V-shaped valley. Unlike glacial valley, they are formed by river typically deep and wide as they erode, but some rock is resistant to the widening, so the valley just gets deeper.
Okay, thank you. So a canyon is like this. It's like a V shape. If some valleys are forming like U shape, canyon, in the other hand, is forming this V shape. Okay, in here in Chunburi, I think we don't have canyons here. Okay, uh, we have like valleys. Grand Canyon, we have one, but in other places in America, there's a lot of canyons, and people love to go there, to have some outdoor activities like climbing or trekking on these canyons. All right, so time for our quiz. Let's go to this website. Give me 1 minute. I will go to this site. Okay, so we are going to. Wait, where is that? Wait. Uh, okay, so I need to find the link for that PowerPoint. Okay, here. Hyperlink. Okay. I wasn't able to add a hyperlink on the PowerPoint itself, so that's why I cannot share it immediately. Okay, so let's go back here in the uh, types of rocks. Okay, so let's start here with uh, where's the igneous rock here? It should be igneous rock first. Okay, we have the sedimentary rock. So let's start with the sedimentary rock. There are questions here that I want you to answer. Okay, we will not do the slideshow because I think you know this one already, sedimentary rocks. Okay, so there are fossils and all of that. Okay, so we'll just go directly to here, test yourself. Okay, so anybody can answer this? Anybody can answer? What characteristic do sedimentary rocks often have? Can somebody answer? Nataya, what characteristic do sedimentary rocks often have? Glassy surface, tiny crystals, weather patterns, or stripe layers?
Weather patterns.
Okay, so are you sure? Okay, so I will not tell you if it is a correct or wrong answer. We will know later. Next one, what is sediment? May I ask Purama? Purama, can you tell me what is your answer here? What is a sediment? Weather that occurs around fossils, a kind of tall and jagged cliff, rock that includes shells and ice, or pieces of rock, sand, and dirt. Purama, go ahead.
Rock that includes shell and ice.
Okay, so we will reveal the answer later on. Let's proceed to the next one. I will ask Apiwit. What is your answer here, Apiwit? How does sediment become a sedimentary rock? Sediment deposits in one place and settles in layers. The weight of the sediment squeezes the layers together into a rock. Or letter B, sediment deposits in one place and mixes together. The wind, weather, and ice freeze the mixture into a rock. Letter C, sediment settles on limestone cliffs inside caves. Wow, caves. There it forms mineral and turns into a rock. Or letter D, sediment mixes with seashells and fossils. Then wind, weather, and ice erode the mixture into a sedimentary rock. Apiwit, what's your answer?
Sediment deposit in one place and settle in layers. The weight of the sediment squeezes the layer together into rock.
Okay, thank you, Apiwit. Let's go with Jirayu this time. What keeps sedimentary rock stuck together? Fossils, coquina, minerals, or seashells?
Fossil.
Okay, fossil. Next question, I will be the one to answer this one. Because we haven't discussed this. Okay, which kind of sedimentary rock is used for building? Pyroxene, sandstone, depository, or all of the above? I will ask Parinia. What is your answer, Parinia?
All above.
All of the above? This one? Parinia?
Yes.
Okay. Last question, I will give it to Puti-san. Number 1. How does a sedimentary rock help scientists learn about the Earth's past? It contains fossils, it is in Texas, it is used in buildings, or it contains minerals? What's your answer?
One.
One.
It
You mean letter?
contains fossils.
Okay. So we done? We have a lot of mistakes. You have 42.9 correct and 57.1. Let's reveal. So here, Nataya, it's not the weather patterns, it was striped layers. And the second one, who answered this one? Sediment. The answer is pieces of rock, sand, and dirt. It's not the rock that includes shells and ice. Here, correct? Who answered this one? I think it was Piwit.
Yes.
This one, it should be minerals, not the fossils. And here, I was the one who answered this. So I'm very good. And this one, I think it was, who answered this one? Parinia, right? All of the above. The correct answer is sandstone. And it contains fossil for Putisan is correct. Okay? So we have 42.9. Now let's go to the next one. Let's go to the igneous rock. Let's go to the igneous rock. So here in the igneous rock, let's just take a look at this quickly. Magma, okay, these are the pictures that we can see in the igneous rock. Okay, so let's just go directly here because you guys are so smart. So let's ask students from those who are not turning on their camera. Pirapong, what is your answer here, Pirapong? Number 2. Pirapong, what's your answer? Kemeka?
Teacher, I can answer it.
You cannot see? Oh, wait, sorry.
I can.
Okay, here. What is a magma? Go ahead.
Very hot boiling water.
Very hot boiling water, lah. A magma is a water, lah. Are you sure? Magma is water? Okay, so if that's your answer, let's see. I will ask Purichaya, number 5. Purichaya, what is your answer here? How do intrusive igneous rock form? Purichaya, go ahead. Wait, why you're not answering? So if you're not answering, they'll just write here, no? So what is the name of what is that? The first one? Purichaya? You will not say anything? Purichaya is not responding. Chayangkol, can you tell me the answer here, Chayangkol? Chayangkol, number 11. Can you tell me? What's your answer? So Chayangkol is number we will just write number here, Parichaya, and number 11. Who else? Panatat? Can you tell me the answer here, Panatat? Number 15.
I don't know.
Read the answer A, B, C, or D.
B.
Okay. Intrusive is exploding. Okay. Next question here. What characteristics makes granite a type of intrusive igneous rock? I will call number 29. Number 29. Number 29. Number 29 is not responding as well. 29. Okay, what about Patarida? Patarida number 35. What's your answer here? Patarida. Okay, so I'll just write here number 35 as well. My God, there's a lot of you who are not answering. So what do you mean? You just log in and then you will not join anything? You will not say anything? Number 21. I will stop sharing. Nobody is answering me, so we'll just go directly to our PowerPoint. What's wrong with this? Wait. Okay. Wait. Okay. So here. I want you to get your other device and let's answer the this game. This is the quizzes. You can go quizzes.com, QUIZ IZZ. Okay? You log in here. Please log in. Go to okay, I'll just send you the link. Okay, click the link. I'm going to send it to you, and then you can click this one so that you can join immediately. There. Click that one. Click that one on your phone, and then please use your number and your name. Number and name. Number and name. Okay, we have Supakrit already. Thank you. Okay, very good. So far, so good. Okay. I will just share my screen so that you'll be able to see. I will be recording the result of this, okay? Right now, there are 37 students, so I am expecting a lot of people to join here. Who is this unsafe name? Who is this unsafe name? I will remove you. Oh, it was... No, it should be... It was Dunra... This is... Ah, okay. So your name is Dunraporn. Okay, because of the porn. The... What is this? If your name have a porn, it will just write the unsafe name. Because of the porn. Because in English, the word porn is not very good. So that's why the computer is trying to write here. Okay, so there are how many students now? 26. Please make it quick, everybody, so that we can begin. Okay. It should be like 37 as well. Where is number? Where are the people here? Where is number one? Number one is here. Number two, where is number two? Pirapong, are you here? Pirapong, number two?
Yeah, he's inside now.
Okay, he's inside now. Kemeka, number three. I will look for Kemeka is here. Okay, it's okay. Jenipa. Okay, so let's see how many people now. 29. What about Purama, number 12? Are you here, Purama?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, I can see here. Purama. Okay, what about Kanyapak, number 28? Kanyapak. Okay. Is Kanyapak here? There are 30 students already, but here in the Zoom, you can see here like 37. So there should be like 37 as well. Okay, we are now 31. So please log in now, those who are still trying to log in. If you will not join this one, it means you're absent for today. 32, Pirapong is here. Okay. What about the others? We have, I will like, okay. Jinipa, you here already, Jinipa, right? Jinipa?
Yes.
Okay, what about number 11? Chayangkul. Is Chayangkul here? Chayangkul, are you here?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so are we going to start now? How many students we have here? 32? Please turn on your microphone and say, Teacher Edward, please wait for me. I'm still lagging in. Turn on your microphone or else I'm going to start this one now. Anybody? Why there are only 32 and here in the Zoom there are like 37? What happened? No more wants to join? Because what time is it? It's already 1:37. Okay. Muparad is number 21 is here. 33 students now? Oh, 30, yeah? No more?
Teacher, wait for me.
Okay. Yes, Sayangkol will wait for you. Besides Sayangkol, who still wants to join? We have like 34 already. On 37 now, there are like 36 only. Okay, so let's start. And no more wants to join? I repeat, we are going to record your scores here. Okay, number 21 just joined the Zoom. Okay, so let's begin now. Are you ready? Ready? Okay, good. So let's start. 34 students. Let's go. Okay, so we have the leaderboards here. Let's see who's the... Okay, next question. We'll see the leaderboards
Should I
later.
disconnect?
Disconnect? I am disconnected?
No,
Or
me.
you? Ah, okay. It's okay, you go again in the link I send you. Ah, Dunrap. Okay. Thumbs up. So let's see. The leaderboards, it is Nataya, number 1, followed by Parinya. Okay. Next question. Constantly broken apart by freezing and thawing plant roots, acid, and other forces on rock. Pirapong not answering. Pirapong didn't answer. It is still Parinya and followed by Satawit. And okay. Next question. The process by which running water, wind, and ice carry away bits of broken up rock. Okay. It's still Parinia, followed by Satawit. The process by which sediment settles out of the water or wind carrying it. Okay. Let's proceed to the next question. Okay, the leaderboard is still Parinya, and Nataya is now in number 4. Okay. The process in which dissolved minerals crystallize and glue particles of sediment together. Okay, like a cement, no? Glue together, cement. Let's see the leaderboards. It is still Parinya, and okay. A sedimentary rock forms when rock fragments are squeezed together. Okay, so let's use the... Okay, so Paradi is now climbing up to top, what is this? Top 6. A sedimentary rock form where remains of plants and animals are deposited in layers. Okay, so it is now Satawit who is leading. A sedimentary rock form when minerals and dissolved in water solution crystallize. Purama not answering. Okay, Purama got it on time. Okay. Leaderboards, let's see. Are there any changes? Okay, Paradi now is number 4. Okay. Metamorphic rock with thin, flat layers. Let's see. Okay, wow, it's Nataya who is number 2, followed by Pirapong. Okay. Metamorphic rock with mineral grains arranged randomly and not in layers. What do we call it? Natcha answer. And who is this? Okay. Let's see if there are any changes in the leaderboard. Nothing. All right. Nothing. Just a very simple question. Which rock layers contains the oldest fossil, X, Y, or Z? Oldest. Okay, so what is the changes in the leaderboard? It's Nataya now. Okay, and all right. Which of the following can be used to make a jewelry? All right, so let's see. There are any changes in the... Okay. Next question. Where can we find the magma? Okay, so let's see. Let's take a look at the leaderboard this time. Okay, it's Nataya, followed by Don Rapon, Satawit Pirapong, and Puriwasapol. All right. Extrusive should have fine mineral grains, right? What's the answer here? Oh, wait. Next question. Look at the picture. Does it have large or fine mineral grains? Okay. Leaderboard now is still Nataya. Okay, so Don Rapon is number 3, Satawit Pirapong. Okay. How is pumice used? Where do we use pumice? Okay, so we use it for... Okay, let's see. Okay, so Paradis is now in number 5 again. Okay. We use it to remove dead skin, right? Next question. Igneous rock derived from the word ignis. What does ignis mean? Hot, steam, fire, or magma? Correct answer is fire, right? Is fire. Okay. Next question. Where do we find granite? In the mountain, in the ocean floor, valleys, or deserts? Okay. Okay, Puriwasapul is now number 2. Okay, good job. Metamorphic rocks are foliated if their mineral grains are arranged randomly. True or false? Okay, so I think that's the end. Oh yeah, we still have question. Next question. Okay, okay. I thought it was the end. Oh yeah, that was the last question. Do you want to end the quiz? I will end right here. And let's see who is the winner. Who is the champion? So we have here. Okay. Third is it is Don Rapon, right? Was it Don Rapon who got number 3? Can you show me your phone, Don Rapon? Oh, yeah. Who is this? Who is this unsafe name? Can you tell me your phone? Okay, so yeah. I think it was Don Rapon, right? What number is Don Rapon? Ah, yeah, it was Don Rapon number 9. Okay. Where is Don Rapon? I want to see Don Rapon. I want to see there, Don Rapon. Very good. So we have here the number 1 is Nataya. All right, the score is there. Okay, how many mistakes? Maybe only 2 mistakes. Okay, let's take a look here. How many mistakes that Nataya had? Okay, only 2 mistakes. Wow. And Puri Wasapul, he got 1 mistake here. And 2, 3, 4, 4 mistakes. Okay, so that will end what is this, our quiz for this afternoon. And then let's go back to the PowerPoint. Where is it? Okay, so congratulations everybody. I will save that one. I will save that one, and I will record that score. So at this point in time, I will check your attendance. Please tell me if you're present. Okay, so wait, I just need to share my screen now so that you'll be able to see what I am looking at as well. So we have here 6/9. 1. Where's 6 slash 1? Here. 6 slash 1 is here. So we have here like absent. Oh, here. So today is Wednesday, right? Wednesday, and what day is today is 28.
28.
Yeah, 20. Did you like the quiz? Was it hard or easy, Nataya? Easy, no? Yeah, easy. Okay, so I will mark this one present all, and then wait. You can see what I am seeing, right? So I will take a look at here. Okay, 36 students. Okay, so I will start with here. Number 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, good. Nobody's absent from 1 to 16. What about 17, 18, 19? What about number 20? Are you here, number 20? Teach it. Teach it is absent. 21. What about number 22? Are you here, number 22, Lalada? Lalada is absent. 23, 24. Number 25, Suwapich. Are you here, number 25, Suwapich? 26. Number 27, Jirapat. Number 27, are you here? Okay. Let's continue here. 34, 35, 36, 30, 37. Are you here? Wiripon? Wiripon. Absent. Okay. 38 and 39. Thank you for coming. How many are absent today? Like 35, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 30. Yeah, it's why there's only 34. Well, thank you for coming, and then where's the PowerPoint? Okay, so this is the vocabulary words that we studied for this afternoon. Landform, valley, delta, mountain, canyons, and plains. I hope you learned something today. And next week, we're going to have our very nice discussion about the rock cycle. We are on the last part of our topic about the rocks. Okay, so if you want to watch the videos that we watched earlier, you can click this link here. Okay, and reminder to please stay safe from COVID-19. Stay home, practice social distancing, wash your hands regularly for 20 seconds, sanitize your hands regularly, don't touch your eyes, mouth, and nose, and always wear a mask if you go outside. Okay? So that would be all for this afternoon. I hope you enjoyed the quiz, and I hope that you learned something from the quiz as well. Okay, so what time is it? It's 1:59, so I will stop the recording right here. Do you have any question so far? Do you have any question before we end? Okay. Oh, do you want to see the picture, or like do you want to see here the people at the last, at the end? Yeah. Okay, so we have here Kanyapak. Didn't answer anything. Jirayu as well, and Pirapong. What happened? Tanakit answered.
Teacher,
Yes.
I used to account
Who are you?
Jirayu.
Okay. So Jirayu is.
Teacher, I'm disconnect at Kanya Phaka.
Oh, I see. So Jirayu used two accounts. So where is your second account? Oh yeah, here. Number 33. Okay. Okay, good job. Well, We will play this one again, maybe next time. And for now, I will end our discussion. Before that, I request all of you to take a picture. Let's take a picture together. And I'm requesting all of you to please turn on your camera. Okay? Turn on your camera so that we'll be able to, yeah, there. Okay? Wait. Wait. There's something wrong. I need to stop the recording now.